So how on earth do you get a 1 to 3-year-old to read all of these words for you out of this book, or out of any book really? Well, the way I've been able to do this is I bought a cheap little toy at the gas station, and with a 1 to 3-year-old, they really enjoy playing this game where you feed the alligator. And I just give him words and have him say it, and then let the alligator eat the words. My son, he's already learned all the sounds of the alphabet, including all the consonant digraphs and the vowel diphthongs, and now he's on A. And Ray always says, A. A, said Ray, it's a beautiful day. Let's take a holiday today and stay and play by the bay, said Ray to Faye. So he's on lesson 41, and I want him to learn all these words. So I'm going to show you a video on how he enjoyed reading all these words. He played this game for probably about 10 minutes, and he wanted to keep going. So that just shows you how well a little tiny game like this can work. In other videos, I'll show you how you can get your child to read directly from the book. But for this one, I'm just going to show you this little game.
Bay.
Papa Bay. Okay, feed the alligator. Good job. He's going to put it in the bowl. Okay, Gideon, you ready for the next one? What is this one?
Yeah.
What is it? Sound it out. What's that letter?
Day.
Say. Okay, feed the alligator. Okay, you ready to feed the alligator again?
Wait, I didn't do that.
Okay, what is this word?
Ray.
Very good. Okay. Okay, you want another one, buddy? Okay, what is that word? Oops, did I give you two? I'm sorry. Go ahead. What's that word? What's that word?
Away.
Away! Good job. You ready? Don't put it in that box, honey. I'll never find it. Okay, Gideon, what's that word?
Day.
Sway. Sway. Good job. Good job. All right. You want another word, Gideon? Okay, here we go. What's that word?
Day.
Great! Good job, buddy. Ready to feed the alligator? Okay, what's this word?
Day.
Play. Good job, play. Good job, buddy. Okay, you ready for the next one? What's this one?
Always.
Always. Good job. Nope. What's ready? Ready for the next one? You sure? You sure? Okay, here we go. Don't put these in here yet, Adelie. What's this one?
Bay.
Spray. Good job. You ready to feed the alligator? Okay, good job. What's this word, buddy?
Day.
J. Good job. You ready to feed the alligator? What's this word?
Hey.
Hey, that's right. Hey. So this is the book that's helped my children to learn how to read and spell. And you can download this entire book in PDF format. And I'll post the links down below from our website and also from our Etsy shop. And the reason it helps your children to learn how to read so fast is because these sounds that we hear every day are in the letters that they are learning. For example, we've all been there where we can't think of the words to say, so we go, or we've all heard a ticking clock. Or we've all heard the rooster crow. So all these sounds really stand out in your child's memory because there's everyday sounds that we hear, such as "Ah, sing Ollie the octopus who loves opera. Ah, sing Oscar the old octopus 1 octave higher." Or we've all heard this, "Na na 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 na, you can't catch me." Or M&M muffins and milk. So this is why these letters really stand out in your child's memory, because we hear them all the time, such as we've all screamed, "Ah!" But you can download this entire book on our website. You can also download all the tangible letters that will help them to remember what these different letters sound like, and so they can be able to spell as they're going through the different lessons. These are invaluable when teaching your child how to read. We have all the consonant diagrams and the vowel diphthongs also that you can download. And we also have worksheets that will help them to learn how to write the different letters that they're learning. Thank you so much for visiting us, and feel free to subscribe or to click the links to learn step-by-step instructions on how to teach a 1 to 3-year-old how to read and spell.